Just out for a short walk. Pheasant Nature Reserve. Fires and camping are not allowed. You need a permit to go on the water. We haven't got a map, we've only got directions. Salmon. It's lovely. Our campsite is just behind those trees. Nice walk in the woods. And there's somebody shouting. Great big oak tree, and I don't know what's holding it up really. That's underneath it, great big hollowed out. Just come across the busy A66, and there's an old ruin of a building there. It's fenced off so you can't get at it. It's got some lovely old windows, it must be very old. Dubwaith Silver Meadows, Wetland Nature Reserve. You are here. It's a good map, isn't it? And there's a map here, look, a proper map, not just the... Look, shows the I-66. Dubwaith must be a village.
Yeah, well this is a wetland area, isn't it?
Yeah. Just looking at this old bench we found. In loving memory of Morley Burton, 2017. This is the back of the Pheasant pub, which hopefully we'll get a drink in it on the way back. Are you in a rush? Wait for little old me. Just coming up to Peel Wyke, and we're starting to get a view. It's been hard work seeing what we're doing because we've had the sun in her face most of the journey. That's why Jane looks like Men in Black with her sunglasses. Ooh. Apparently on this walk we might see some red squirrels, so I'll keep our eyes peeled. Nice little stream. Near Rowtonbeck cottages. Starting to get a better view now behind us. Battlethwaite Lake or reservoir or water. Oh, this might be where we turn. Yeah. Not Keswick, it's Kelswick. Kelswick. K-E-L-S Wick. Cockermouth Mountain Rescue Team. I don't think we need that today. Climbing up the hills again. What a view. I found the church. Little church just there. Let's go have a look at the church. Walking towards the hidden church. I thought I'd go and have a look at it. Jane's having a rest on the bench a bit further up. So it's only right to come and have a look at the church. We'll go and have a look. But I like churches. Gosh, look at it. go down to get in it. Sort of buried in a hole. Gosh, what a place to have a church. I wonder if it's open. It's a bit dark. Gosh, lovely. Shall I lock it? Always make sure you shut the door behind you when you visit a church, because they can get pigeons in and it's a real bugger to get them out. Excuse my language. Sun's coming through. Nice red glow. Wooden floor. Just there. Means there's a crypt underneath. Whatever they call it. Wow. I'm not a religious person at all, but I respect people's beliefs. And there's something, can I say it, magical about these places. Perhaps that's not the right word. This is St. Margaret's Church. This one is. And somebody puts, here we are again, 28 years and retired, living a great day, back in 1991. To this is a beautiful church with wonderful memories. Still going up. That's the view from behind us. I can't place the camera the way we're going because it will blinds the camera. But luckily there's little seats all the way up by the look of it. This is Sail Fell we're walking on. And we're going up and up and up, and I don't like going up hills, you can tell by my previous videos. Still climbing. I know. I can see people at the top. Jane, where are we going? Still going up Sail Fell. The traffic noise is the A66 to Cockermouth. Thought we were near the top, but we're not. We're probably about halfway up. Wow. Certainly a view. But we're going up there. mountains over there, Skiddaw. We've been up that, we've done that, what was it, 15 years ago? Something like that. Jane's flagging away somewhere. Top of the world again. I don't think we're quite up the top there, but we're not far off. You can see our campsite up here. You can see the vans. In fact, I can see our caravan, our motorhome, Herb. Near the end of the lake, there's a bunch, and you see the green ones, obviously the permanent one, and on the left of that hedge, there's our van. No, piled it up a bit, it's a bit fell down. There we go, Pheasant plate. We're being watched. Sheep. See his head? Just on this corner. I have a little job to do. That's better, isn't it, Jay? Much better. Just spotted this caterpillar. No, you put a shade. Look, it's as long as my finger.
Isn't that your finger? Have you got any colours? She's got black hair. She's dark.
It's enormous, it's longer than my finger. Don't know where it's going.
To the summit.
Anyway, let's leave it in peace. On our way back down now. Not sure how long the camera will last. So I think I'll switch it off for the time being. Just sitting in the Pheasant Inn, and I've just had a pint of bluebird.
Oh, it's brave, right? Not Boston.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a lovely old pub, or inn, I should say, called the Pheasant. So this is the end of our walk, and we're both exhausted. Home is where you park it. Please subscribe and like.